Good morning, welcome again. Stream Friday, easy today. Light, everyone. Good hard date today. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, that was someone tagged me in that, so that's why. Carnella.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you, man?
Good, and you?
Yeah, pretty good, man. Pretty good. What are you looking for on GJ?
I was looking for sales on the 151, 940, 930, but that impulse eventually didn't take it. So now have to see.
Yeah,
Honestly, have to see how this 30-minute closes. And I don't know if I'm really looking for sales because
we're in the
the trend,
uptrend.
yeah,
So yeah,
yeah, exactly.
I
It
might.
already went down, so yeah.
Yeah, what might be a good option is that if you look on the higher time frame, price comes back to this level.
Mm,
Right here, 640, around that, and then starts creating a support above that 4 hour level.
yeah,
But the problem is that it's far away for now, so this could maybe happen in New York.
yeah,
So,
yeah. For now, I'm just waiting and seeing what happens.
yeah, and maybe if the 1 hour starts creating a support right here, could take buys further up.
Yeah, I was looking at buys at 152, 152.030 about.
Oh yeah, above this level, yeah, makes sense.
No, not like above, a bit lower, 152.030.
Oh, oh, right here.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah,
right
yeah,
here.
makes sense.
I thought that could have, I mean, you could easily retest the high and actually even go higher up.
Yeah. I
I
don't.
don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we have enough range for that. That's the issue.
Yeah, it was I mean, it all depends how it closes. The range was not that big, but I thought, I mean,
Yeah.
if if it closes nicely, I could easily retest the high and go higher up. So
True. Ooh, gold is dropping. I
it's
think
been
gold is at a support right now. This is a fake out. Gold is. This was just a liquidity grab right here to go further up. This happened yesterday, I think. Um, so gold is at support right now. So I think you need to wait for price to break below support to maybe test these levels for the level down below, or maybe it starts ranging because of this mass.
Yeah, the GJ buys yesterday after our London session were pretty good actually. I saw Augustus caught coming
Yeah,
for his birthday.
bro, you held till 540, yeah? No joke. No joke. Someone in the YouTube took sells on gold from
All right.
17,500 all the way right here. So that's nice. That's 50 plus pips, 60 pips. Yeah, he held it. What a G. Like fully held it.
Where was the entry?
His entry was
250, I
I
think it
think
was.
this was
Yeah, it was that.
yeah, it
Yeah,
was
you
right
got
here.
it at.
So
He got in 247, 250. We were talking yesterday about it.
yeah, he 250 and 350. That was his entry. So his
Yeah.
entry was 300. And what he did, no joke, yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
he went a huge drawdown
no,
with the
no, 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 no,
350.
no, no. He put an extra position in at 400.
Ah, yeah.
A fool.
Okay.
Yeah. What a G. What a G. And he held it. He had confidence in this trade. That was savage right there.
I would have took that trade honestly with the 30 minutes, but it was not my session, so
Yeah. Yeah. For me personally, it was took too long. So when it only trade has like 45 minutes to 1 hour for me, and otherwise I close.
yeah, I would have probably closed earlier.
Yeah.
But the entry like at 300 with a 30-minute close out of that.
Yeah. But you know what you could have done based on this demand zone is that if you had price below the 4 hour previous low and got in at 145, 149, I mean, that would have been savage. Small risk, probability of price just pushing up.
Yeah, but it's not in my plan. I mean,
Yeah,
even trading
that's
after the session, everything. I mean,
that's
even
the
if it
thing.
looks good, I mean, I stick to the plan. And
Yeah, that's the best thing to do.
even now, looking at the sales, I mean, yeah, you would have caught some pips, but I mean, that impulse entry is risky, and
Yeah, it's Friday, right?
that too.
Yeah, it's Friday. Yeah, yeah. I forgot. uh, maybe GU is pretty much doing the same. Yeah. Yeah, it is what it is at that moment, Ornella. You had 60 pips on gold, so I don't know if I'm gonna sell GGA. It's not, no.
No, for now, I mean, I'm not selling anything.
I mean, there's a stop. This is gonna be a stop.
I mean, we can maybe see the same setup as yesterday. I mean, who knows? Like it comes down like that,
Yeah, 4 hour level.
yeah, and after rejects at that level, I mean, that could be nice.
Yeah, it should continue to fill that high again because it created a high. So yeah, the thing is that we're the second 4 hour bearish candle, uh, and we're not low enough yet. I think maybe. Who knows? Yeah. 15 closed at this support as well. Yeah, the thing is for me is that these ranges are too small. Look, if you sell below here, range is 10 pips. 10 pips. So personally, if I want to see sells, I maybe sell below here. Then you get 11 pips, and then further down towards 30, 35 pips.
Yeah, 10 pips are not a lot, but after, I mean, for me, it depends how it closes and how big the candle was for stops. I mean, how you can manage risk pretty much.
Yeah, that's true. But I need a good target as well. I mean, it's easier to grab 10 pips in a 30 pip zone than 10 pips in a 10 pip zone. You know,
True.
grabbing 10 pips in a 10 pip zone is going to be very hard.
Mm.
Well, it could work 100%. It's just harder than waiting for a 30, 25, 20 pip zone. This candle could have already been the retest candle. This candle right here, but the reason probably why it didn't do that, because it was out of volume. You see, Asian session comes to an end. Volume starts dying down. No volume, no volume, no volume. Volume. So what I'm looking for is maybe price to close at one of these levels. I prefer it to close above 850, and then bullish candle, and respecting this support, and then a bullish candle to take buys up as first targets. They're gonna be like on these levels. Trying to retest this high. Probably the issue is maybe this level at 980 that it would respect.
Mm. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing with this big uptrend is taking sales. I mean, yeah, it could work, but you don't have the same potential as taking buys, of course. Because I mean, if you leave a runner, it'll probably get stopped out. Then if you take buys, you have nice potential. You can have a runner, and that can still go up a lot.
Yeah, I'm looking for price to just respect this level, and then the next 30 minutes to start closing bullish. See, this 15 minutes is also respecting it right now. 30 minutes respecting it. Wick down. Checked it from this wick to the left. Now respecting this zone. Yo, Prab, he's back again. What's going on with your internet? That's not good. You need them good internet speeds for good executions, man. Yeah, maybe for price to go to 640, ready to support, or here already, or here. This depends. This level. Ready to support right there. Or right here.
Do you know what Master P is doing?
I got no idea. He's already up, I think. Oh no, I haven't seen him. This candle rejected by his heart, though.
Yeah, I think, I mean, you could have got a nice sale. I'm sure some got in for a sale.
Yeah, Ricardo just he got in. I don't know if he's in the. He got in from like 900 flat.
Yeah, I mean, those who trade retracements, like pullbacks,
I don't
like
know.
with fibs and all of that, I'm sure they got a nice entry.
Yeah, he had 10 pips reached.
Mm.
Yeah, it was a very good trade actually,
It was just
because it
the
broke below that 4 hour
confirmations.
low.
Yeah, I don't know.
4
On a
hour.
Friday, I don't want to take an impulsive entry. That's the only thing. That's
Yeah.
what I can get in.
Oh, that makes sense. Makes sense. Once it broke that 4 hour low, and once it broke these range levels, yeah, go time. Someone has been holding longs from yesterday, New York session. You should.
Yeah, bit risky. I think. I mean,
No,
if
he's
I have
really low. Look, his entries are gonna be like
yeah, but even
12:30.
if you have a runner, I think the runner would have been stopped down. I mean, I don't know. I trail my runners, and I'm 100% it would have been stopped out.
Yeah, but price making higher highs and higher lows now, and his position is already running. It went from, I don't know what his entry is, but let's say his entry is like from, I don't know, it's like 500 something. Already 60 pips up, 50, 60 pips up.
Yeah, maybe I would have held it, but after, I mean, just like now at the 900 level, I would have been out 100%.
Moses, what is your, oh, entry, yeah, 530. So he was up already 50 pips. There, 530.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I mean,
61 pips. Going down toward 30 pips now. But if it starts respecting this level and starts creating a support, because it's respecting it now based on the 30-minute, 1 hour candle and 15-minute candle, should continue moving up, breaking that high, and maybe going further. So it makes sense that he's holding it.
I mean, after it all depends, right? Some like to hold the trades. Personally, man, like 1 day, 2 days is already a lot.
But it's riding your wins at the end of the day, though. I mean, the thing is, the
Yeah.
problem is with people that lose is that they ride their losses and not ride their winners.
Mm. No, yeah, even a runner, but I mean, for the potential gain of a runner, I don't know.
It is good. We respected this support
Mm.
right here. So we
I
could,
mean, it makes complete sense. I mean, with a big uptrend, I mean, yeah.
ooh, look at how that closed. Really rejected that 15-minute close bullish.
I'm just waiting on a close back above that support we just created.
Yeah, right here. 980. Around that level, right?
I have it at the bottom, but I mean, same thing, around 930.
Yeah, but how are you, man?
Good, good. How about you?
Yeah, good, good, good. Yeah, gold is respecting that support as well. Sort of, yeah, respecting it. If it closed back inside that range, this might just have been a retest, and then press to continue further up.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. How are you,
Morning.
man?
No, I'm okay, I guess. It's okay.
What's up?
I don't know, I'm just not feeling that well.
Oh, that's not good.
No, woke up on the wrong foot.
It is what it is sometimes, right?
Yeah, I came to the chart like I saw when I woke up, I saw the 4 hour on the GJ and on gold, and I planned out when I wanted to see it on gold. Like it already happened before I got to the chart, and GJ it did the move in the last few minutes. So I guess like I'm already done for the day because the things I planned played out, and now I have nothing left to see.
Okay, okay. I think personally I wasn't really into sells on GJ. I'm just more looking towards buys.
Yeah, true. I don't like them that well too. On the 1 hour, it looks good, but it closed. It rejected that wick on the 1 hour.
I mean, I'm waiting for a 30-minute candle to close bullish now. Inside here. Then we continue further up, filling this wick.
It's like a fake out.
Yeah,
Okay, that
and a
makes sense.
retest at this level. Pick up and bang up.
Yeah, and the things you guys with Augustas were talking about yesterday about GJ, it happened.
Yeah,
While he
man,
was
I know. Yeah, he
Mm.
messaged me.
but he made
Bro,
some fat profit.
yeah, he held so long, like 4 hours, something.
Mhm.
His two entries were like 250 and 350, and after that, he put another entry at 400 something,
Mm.
and that was a big entry. He had a lot running, no joke.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I do want it to close above 940, otherwise it's just retesting this level to continue on down. So it's just a break and retest. So I want it to like literally close at 950, 955 around that level. I don't know. I think it's best to wait for a higher time frame candle to start printing your way, because 4 hour is bearish, daily is going bearish, weekly maybe gonna flip at 7. You know, I think it's best for you to wait for like a 1 hour gonna close bearish, or 30-minute at least.
Yeah, today's one of those days where gold is gonna do a huge move again. It's gonna have like a huge move because there's confirmations. Basically, the daily created a low, and now it created a resistance to retest that low, and that alone is a 400 pip range on the
Yeah,
daily time frame. And then on the 4 hour, you see how the 4 hour created after Asia session and before London session, it created support to retest the high, but then during
got
that market
reject.
hours,
Yeah,
yeah, it created that. So now you expect this support at 1712 to break and to break anyways, and then you have clean traffic on the four
I
hour.
think personally, if you want to get in right now, it's best to wait for 1708 to break that
Yeah,
wick right here.
yeah, you're gonna need some extra confirmations, but I was looking to get in. I came to the charts late, but the move happened basically as soon as the 4 hour, the new London 4 hour opened. The move it just went down 60 pips, and that was like the move I was looking to catch. Now it is what it is.
Oh well.
Next week.
Someone be disliking the stream.
Gulag is talking about gold buys? I don't think so.
Yeah, I already said that to them. You want like a fresh level to be respecting this zone if you ever want to get into buys in higher time frames pointing your way.
Mm-hmm.
But at the moment, it's just bearish. It did respect this support, but
Mm-hmm.
you never know. Yeah. Someone sent in the chart. GJ buy yesterday too. Let's see. Oh, you held it as well. Damn. Damn. Pretty nice. Even took a second entry right there. Okay. Good job, man. Good job.
I think I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't want to take any trades today. I'm just gonna look at my journal,
That's
recap
good.
the week.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Is this 15 closed like this, and then the next one further up as well. Side range. Yo, Nick,
Yo.
you gonna take a piss on 30 minutes or 15?
I'm waiting on a 30 minutes, so if this one actually might take the 15 because 15 is closing above that area
Yeah,
and put my stops below the previous 15.
yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to get in when it broke the 15-minute, but I was like, let me be patient and not rush into it.
Didn't have a huge wick as well.
No, it looked good, especially, we're in an uptrend and it's respecting support, but I don't know, trying to
Yeah,
wait on it since there was that support it just created. Because I was in for buys earlier and I got stopped out, so I'm making sure the next one's the proper trade.
yeah, this makes sense. Just a waiting game right now.
Yeah. Probably think gold is giving a second confirmation over here, but with me, if I don't take the first confirmation, then I don't take any other confirmation.
Adapt to the market, bro.
Yeah, but I mean, like this week, it was on paper, it was amazing, but I just messed up. I made like quite a few mistakes.
Over managing, maybe.
Yeah, over managing and things like that. And that's what I see. I've been doing way too much this quarter. Like it just kills. I've killed way too much profit over managing crap, and yeah.
Maybe also over trading. I mean, you were in GU, gold, and GJ in one day.
No, over trading. I planned to do that. Like I came to the charts. I plan to take if the three pairs gave me a confirmation, I'd take them.
Okay.
So I don't consider that over trading, but because like that day, it was a profitable day, but I just managed my positions way too much. So I didn't make that much profit out of it. So it wasn't worth it, but
Yeah. Yeah, I think everybody also has its own parameters.
Mhm.
Like for me, I would have considered that over trading, but like you said, I mean, for you, it's not. It's in your, I mean, it's in your plan. You said you planned it out.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Yeah, because I want to start pushing limits with other pairs so that I can like work on my monthly returns. Like gold, I really want to leverage these huge moves gold has to make that difference at the end of the month. And with GU and GJ, just fill in the gaps in between with 10 pips here, 10 pips there.
Yeah. I mean, in the beginning I traded gold and GJ. Now since last week, I'm only focusing on GJ. I'm like, I just want to be a master at GJ, and after I'll start moving to other things. I still look at gold, but for now I'm not trading. I only trade GJ and making sure I'm profitable with GJ, and after I'll see.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Bro. I'm selling my car right now. People are so annoying. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
What car is it?
It's a Toyota.
A what?
A Toyota.
Okay.
Are they like, is 20 euros okay?
No. This guy asks, yeah. What's the minimum price? So I'm like, okay, yeah, this is what people already bid for it,
Uh-huh.
and then he bids below it. Oh, that's stupid. I already told you people are bidding above. Why the fuck are you bidding below? Makes no sense. No logic right there. No logic.
Yeah.
Calling your bluff.
Yeah. At 10 minutes, 30 minutes to close, and if it's closing above here, above that 940 level with a wick, I might buy it. I prefer it to close above 980 though. So wrong.
Let's see, Gulag. Gold may be a buy if it doesn't cross 1708.750. 1708.
It already did, I
Oh,
think.
it already did, yeah.
I think you could take buys on 30, 1708.30. If it passes that, you could maybe take an impulsive entry.
You
But
mean impulse sell.
impulsive sell, yeah. Impulsive entry based on the sell.
He said buys.
Oh no, I said impulsive entry, right?
I think he said impulse buy or something. No, I don't know.
Okay.
Whatever.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I think because you're breaking that 4 hour level right here, and then you got clean traffic to the left.
Yeah. Once this 15-minute flip bearish was also pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, this thing, gold, gonna give out the idea it's gonna come back down into the below 1700s minimum.
Yeah.
So holy shit. That's an $18 move from where the 4 hour opened to 1700 is $18 move, almost 200 pips.
Yeah.
Monday I called out 200 pip move as well. Actually, like 300 pips to fill the weekly wick, and now there's this daily confirmation over here that you can take advantage on the lower time frames.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Yeah, and like where I wanted to take the trade, it was once there was the bullish 1 hour at during Asia session, and then the bearish one, and that was the perfect entry. You had 20 pips stop loss, and your first target was the 4 hour support 70 pips away.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you help me choose the best platform to trade? I think you gotta ask Tim that. He knows. I'm using MT5 myself, but there's some guys that are using CTrader, and that has less, uh, you know, moments of fucking you over. I think. So I think MT5 or C Trader is going to be the best. Depends on what platform you prefer yourself. The layout.
Is anybody in gold cells?
I'm not. I don't trade gold
No.
at the moment.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning.
Moses.
Yo, what's up, man?
Hey, I just had a question, I guess, because I'm gonna start joining the morning sessions and everything with you guys. Just
Oh, yeah,
to do
cool, man.
analysis and stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, that's if you guys don't mind me just
No.
you know,
No.
speaking
Go
and
ahead.
all that.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I just didn't know the rules and all of that.
No problem.
But well, I mean, I guess my thing is with gold. What I've been noticing is, it seemed like anytime we're at a level, it like right now, if you look at it on like a 4 hour or 1 hour, obviously like that is a support level. So I guess for me, I think it seems like whenever I'm at these levels, I don't take any trades on it because I'm just watching it because I don't trust it. But it seemed like it always pulls back really hard at these levels. Like, have you guys have issues with that anytime you try to enter?
Yeah, I don't know if you watched the streams of
Ooh.
Raja, but they were talking about that. Like when it hits a psychological level or a 4 hour level, most of the time it comes up 10 pips or something like that. It rejects it, and maybe after it goes down. And there's some guys I know Raja even talked to him, and there's some guys who even try like strategy where when it hits that level to take like a buy or a sell, and just for that little retracement. But the thing with that is, he was saying it's inconsistent, and also, I mean, it's hard to get like a good win rate and strike rate with that. But it does happen a lot on gold, and yeah, I would say, I mean, depends how you trade. Just wait and see what happens. Wait for the close. But yeah, I mean, it is a real thing, and it does happen a lot.
Because it just seemed like it's not possible to do like impulse trades on that.
I mean, impulse trades, you have to look on the other 15-minute lows or highs, or even on gold the 5 minutes, and after react from that. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, personally, I would never trade like that. But just when it hits the level, just take a trade. Expect it to
GJ looking
retrace.
good, by the way. Sorry.
Mm.
You're looking pretty good. For us, take a buy on soon. I would prefer it to close above here or break this high.
Yeah, that would be pretty good.
Yo, Nick.
Yo.
Are you gonna just take it once it closes? Or wait for
once it closes and breaks the high, yeah.
Yeah. But the previous bearish candle high or this candle high?
No, current.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
If it can close above the previous bearish 30-minute high, that'd be super good because that's a range on the 15-minute too.
Yeah.
But yeah, somebody was asking about like supports on gold and rejections. I can't talk about like every scenario because there's way too many, but this scenario is daily created resistance. So at that point, I expect that 4 hour support at 1712, 1711 to break, simply because daily is a bigger time frame than 4 hour.
Yeah, I don't trade gold a lot, so don't listen to me.
Yeah.
I said impulsive buys, sells below. This time I did say buy, but yeah, pretty much that. Yeah, because now I did a very nice fake out. It's gonna be very helpful for us. Ooh, broke above. That's good. That's really good. Broke that level. 2 minutes, 48 seconds left.
You got like a 15 pip range. That's pretty good.
Yeah. About the same as a stop loss, 15 pip stop, but you could also use previous 15-minute stop if you want to. It's just what you prefer, you know. You could also manage risk based on that 15-minute stop. So there is loads of possibilities to take this trade right now. So yeah. Okay. Let's see what the last minute is gonna fly up. Yeah, it should be good. Should be good. Hopefully close with a wick though. That's the only thing. Are you gonna have your stop below 15 or 30 investing in, Nick?
What I'm gonna do is put it below the 30, but of course manage it if it breaks this
Yeah, 30.
15,
Yeah, 15. Yeah,
low.
yeah,
And then
makes sense.
the stop below the 30.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Forty seconds left. This candle to close.
Yeah, I'd take this buy too.
Yeah, me too. A lot of sense. I'm in. 999. There we go. Oh. This one. Stop loss is right here, around 13 pips. Target is around right here. Let's see what we can do. Auto break even at 8 pips. Are you in as well, Master?
Yeah,
Good. What's your entry?
less risk. 152.006.
Okay,
0.05.
I had a pretty decent entry.
Yeah.
Good. I got my break-even trigger at around 7.5 pips. But I think we should be good. I mean, it has the possibility to still create a small lower wick. So if it pulls back, it pulls back.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
I'll go make my coffee.
What, you're running away from the trade?
I'll not overmanage it.
That's the best thing to do, I guess.
That's my new strategy, though.
Set it and forget it.
Yeah, set it and forget it, man.
What do we just hit? Just put up my head down. Let's see it. Oh, yeah, around 5.6 pips. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Let's see. Gonna be the if it does. Oh, no, I'm not gonna jinx it. Maybe the first day we're gonna get around 10 pips, but who knows? At the moment, this level to the left is pretty annoying. So let's see. Needs to break that 1 hour high at like 65.
I'm back. My strategy didn't work over here. Didn't
Nah.
TP.
Yep.
Think if it starts flipping bearish, I'll close 50%.
Yeah. Could be handy. Because it's now respecting that 1 hour level, 1 hour resistance. You look on the 1 hour time frame.
Yeah.
And it just needs to break that wick. 60 something. Like right here. 66. If it breaks that, it's gonna go further up.
Yeah, we're also really relying on volume over here because the range is rather small, so we need that volume to
Yeah.
break above the range and break the 4 hour high and continue up.
Yeah. But my only issue right now is that if we don't break this level, we're respecting this 1 hour resistance right here. 54. So if this breaks, we're all good. It's gonna go up, fill this wick to the left here, and fill further up. You know, at the end of the day, the 4 hour flipped. So pretty good. And if we break that 4 hour high at 80, no, it's all good. That's exactly pretty much where I have my well, bit higher, but there's my break even stop as well. Break even trigger. That hits. Like to see how this 50. So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. How far up did we go again? Yeah, right. Personally, I closed 50% just to manage that risk after being in some profits.
And this is what makes London session beyond annoying.
Did you close 50 as well? Or
Nah,
still?
I'm still in full.
Yeah, makes sense. It's just, for me, it's just that 1 hour level that's respecting right now. So, yeah, it makes sense to close 50%. And after being in some profits as well.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
See, Luke, I told you, man.
Yeah, man, you're a G.
Are you in the trade now?
Yeah. Oh, what's going on? Accidentally. Oh, for fuck's sakes, man. Stupid MetaTrader.
Well, you closed your trade.
Yeah, accidentally. I closed off and it didn't do anything. So I clicked again and again, and it didn't do anything again. And then it closed all of them at the same time. Fuck's sakes.
Oh, man.
Yeah, very annoying. MetaTrader is always a pain. Always.
Yeah. How much did you lose now, pips wise?
2 pips.
Oh, that's all right.
At the end of the day, I was in like what's it called? 5.5 pip profit.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, but the thing is, I didn't want to enter because he just shot straight away up and had no bottom wick.
yeah, makes sense.
But now he created a bottom wick, and let's see how this 15 closes. To be honest.
Yeah, for me personally, the reason why I closed 50% is because first of all we were in profits, and second of all we hit the 1 hour resistance.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is what it is. I didn't want to close full but fucking MetaTrader closed my entire fucking position.
But did you close with magic keys or?
Yeah, magic keys. Yeah.
Look, you got margin called, man. What are you saying?
What?
You got margin called, man.
Boom.
2 pips, margin called.
Yeah.
Morning. Well done, Augustus, on yesterday's trade, man. Damn.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
That was a beast, bro. That was an absolute beast.
How many pips did you end up getting?
Oh, actually a lot, because I had 3 positions at the end.
Bro, this guy just smashed in.
I was speaking to Luke throughout the whole time, and then at the end I sent him a screenshot of my positions in and everything.
Yeah. In G.
Nice. I managed to get 20 pips out of that move yesterday as well.
Well, that's still a lot, you know.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about just getting back in.
Just wait for the 15 to close, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking at that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, because if 5-minute creates support, that's sensible.
Yeah.
For us to go up.
Then I just re-enter. Fuck's sakes, man.
Why would you re-enter now? You could have waited for 15. I think you still got range.
Yeah, but the thing is that I had a better entry.
No, go
Why?
break the high, break the high. Oh, I guess it's working out now.
Yeah. Fuck 6, man. I wanted to stay in with 50%, but it just didn't close. And then I clicked again, and yeah, there goes my entire fucking position.
As I said, margin call, bro. Right.
Yeah, that's the thing, is that lag on that MetaTrader platform is so annoying.
Yeah, this 15 is just fleecing everybody.
Yeah. Out the window.
I'm not in a trade. I'm still waiting. To be honest, after yesterday's trade, I'm a bit, caveman today on a Friday.
Man made a lot of money right there.
Wasn't that much, but still, profit's profit.
Yeah.
But as I mentioned yesterday, it was probably the longest time I held the trade for.
Yeah.
It was like 3 hours or something.
Was it your biggest profit yet, or not?
No.
Okay. That's
But
good.
I mean, holding the trade, because sometimes it can move 30 pips in minutes.
Yeah.
But at this time, it was just going gradually, like by candle by candle, and taking its own time. And I don't know, how long did it take me? Like 3-4 hours to get up there. But I was patient, that was the thing, because I was talking to you, and I was like, nah, 600 is going up. It's going up.
I was like, okay, yeah, this I don't know. It has bullish potential, 100%. And I was looking, I was like 540, 550 hit, and I'm like, oh man, I hope he's out, because that could be like one of those reverse points where it just fucks you over. And then he's like, yeah, I'm out at 440, and I'm like, yes.
Yeah, I was like, who cares about those 6 pips, man? I held enough.
Yeah, fuck those 6 pips. You already had like, how many pips you did? You had like 30, 20.
Yeah, because there was like, those 2 first positions and then the third one.
Yeah. Nasty.
Did you leave a runner to 152?
No.
No?
Oh, you just got out at 540.
Oh, that's great.
But you had 10 pips on the second position. On the third position, on the first position, you had like 30 pips, right?
Yeah.
And then on the second position, you had 20, I think.
Yeah, and then the third one was exactly 10 pips.
Yeah, 15-minute low just got broken, guys. Watch out.
Yeah.
I'm not in anymore because I fucked up my position. But...
Yeah, I didn't like it. I was looking for at least a 5-minute to create a support above hourly resistance.
Yeah. So
we can push, but at this moment I was a bit skeptical.
Yeah, I think what just happened is that we touched that 1 hour resistance, didn't break the high of the previous 1 hour, and just
makes sense.
respected it.
Yeah, that's why buys like above 152 would have been nice.
Yeah. I have a 2 pip loss. That's pretty much nothing.
And to be honest, look how daily closed yesterday without top wick.
Yeah. Well,
so strong, and I was expecting actually to push today, but only in the Asian session, and just probably like rage out, because I said to Luke yesterday, I just hope we're gonna range through this New York and then we can push tomorrow to 152. But nah, it just happened way earlier.
Yeah, I'm up by the way. Yeah, makes sense. Just said a couple pips left, but yeah, again, no 10 pip day today again. I fucked over by GG.
You had what, 7 pips? Oh,
say 5.6 or 6 pips. Let's say 6 pips, I think. I don't know. Yeah. I had 5.7 pips 5.7. Pretty much 6 pips. So I closed at negative 1 pip 50%, and then it didn't work, so I clicked again a couple times, and then it started closing, and then I was out. So yeah, that's what happened. But I'm out at negative 2 pips, so still, it's alright. I mean, otherwise I would have closed 50% once this 50-minute low got broken anyways, and that's lower than where I got out of. So
Yeah.
managing that risk is so important. But just make sure you don't click your magic keys 20 times. But that's annoying. I click like 10 seconds later, it starts closing. 10 seconds. It's a long
And there's
time.
a lot of volume or like the candles moving fast. I noticed Magic Keys kind of slows down. Or
Yeah.
it's like a broker thing or whatever, but
Yeah.
it happens.
Hey Nick, you know this exact situation that we're in now. It's exactly the same as what was happening yesterday at 10 a.m. You know, where the 30-minute close is nice and bullish, and then
Yeah,
on the
that's what keep
15
my eye
minute
on is like the higher time frame. So,
yeah.
but
So I think
realistically, if it go ahead. Sorry.
sorry, yeah. So I think this 15-minute now, to me, it's only just touching the support. It's just retested a support level. It's probably going to close kind of weak bullish, and then the move will be at 8 a.m. and then that's when it'll move up.
Makes a lot of sense.
That's what
So
I'm
if
banking
it
on.
breaks its own low now, or it goes below like 920,
Yeah.
that's when I'd kind of worry, but I don't think it will. I think this
If
will
it,
close bullish.
if it breaks below around like 900 is when I'll start
Yeah.
being worried. Other than that, I think we're in good condition.
Yeah, it's like a carbon copy of what happened at 10 a.m. yesterday, where it was a
Exactly.
nice 30-minute, messed around for about 30 minutes, and then the move started.
I agree.
Like,
Yeah,
you
maybe
only
for the
need
people that
10
want to
closes.
re-enter as well, is that if this 15 closes bearish inside the range and it goes back up and it breaks its own, it breaks the previous high, you could re-enter.
Yeah, I didn't enter before, but if this 15-minute closes bullish, it doesn't have to be strong bullish, but just bullish, then that's when I'm going to take a buy.
What, you're in yet,
Hopefully
or
the move doesn't happen before that, but
you're not in yet?
no, not yet.
Okay.
Just because just every time you enter on a 30-minute, a big bullish 30-minute, it does this every single time. So I was like, no, I'll wait.
What you could also do is, if this 30-minute close is doji-like, you could maybe enter based on the 1 hour candle. The only issue is that if you enter based on that 1 hour candle, your range is only around 6-7 pips. So yeah. And the only, you get more range, but it just respected this level. So 60 pips is the wick all the way up. But I think taking this level into consideration is important as well, because here you see rejection, tapped it, rejection. So I might personally call it one as well, just maybe not take a second entry, guess on it. Because for me, that 1 hour level could just be very, very important.
Oh crap! I'm playing. You guys can't hear that music, can you? Or
No.
oh, good.
What are you playing?
Oh, just some YouTube stuff. But I know that's
Oh,
like
okay.
a copyright problem.
Yeah. Only if you play it for 15 seconds, it's good. And if you play it over 15 seconds, you're fucked. So,
As long as you guys can't hear it, I guess it's good.
yeah, it's good.
I don't want to get you jammed up with YouTube.
But it's weird. You're allowed to play it for like 15 seconds, and after that, it's they have the right to copyright strike you.
Yeah, it makes sense though. Artists want to like get their sample out, but not give it up for free.
100%. That 15 looks ugly. I think what you do want to see though is that 1 hour candle closing above 7.6. 9.76.
Yeah, that's a good idea. If 1 hour closes above 980, because then you have the London open volume, and that's when you can say, okay, then we can
Yeah.
break this 1 hour support, 1 hour resistance over here.
Yeah.
With volume. But if it closes below, then you got a 1 hour resistance, and then maybe price will just go counter trend, making lower lows.
Yeah.
Man, I don't know what to do this weekend. I hate weekends.
Man, I completely agree with you. I'm just lost on the weekends, man.
I know, right? It's like, what the fuck do I have to do?
I'm just trying to find my space in there.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you normally do in the weekends then?
Me?
Yeah.
I usually work, especially on Sundays. Sundays are paid double, so I'm always hitting up a shift on Sunday.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
But you trade full time during the week and then work on the weekends.
Yeah, pretty much. I work 3 days. Yeah, 3 days out of the week.
What you do?
Not much, man.
Selling drugs.
Yeah. No,
I
it's
was
just
gonna say that too.
no, just some crappy part-time thing. Nothing special.
Alright.
Yeah, part-time selling drugs.
2 children.
Oh shit!
That's even worse.
Just kidding, of course.
Looking pretty good now.
Yeah, actually, I added an entry when it came close to support.
Oh damn, nice.
I'm still gonna let it get 10 pips. I usually try not to set my take profits for more than 10 pips nowadays.
Yeah. 10 pips is just getting very hard in London. No joke.
Bro, yeah, like
I haven't gotten 10 pips in 2 weeks from. No joke.
I just open up the spread right now.
Yeah.
What the hell? Something weird's about to happen.
I think London's gonna be savage.
Let's see, I just want my 10 pips and I'll
Yeah.
run.
I'll maybe re-enter based on this 15-minute candle with the position.
I've been trying to like monitor how to get in entries on like when it's retesting support, so I get that better entry because the breaking of highs doesn't get you a solid 10 pips anymore.
Yeah.
Well, unless you catch it at the right time, which is like closer to New York.
Yeah, that's what I did yesterday on a 15 look.
Yeah.
It pulled back, did an entry. And
What are those sounds? Like a bird.
tight. I'm tired. Buff enough. I'm still celebrating,
Yeah, man. You still getting that coffee? It's £4 coffee, man. Insane. But now they can't get the coffee, right? The
I think
Takeout.
they open for takeaway, but I'm chilling.
I'm gonna put a position in based on 7-6 pip stop loss. That's below the previous 30-minute candle if we don't start flying already. Like we are. Yep, I think it's gone now.
Hope it pulls back a bit.
Yeah.
This is also the thing with GJ. I think we need to treat it more like a swing trade positions because it's not respecting the levels of like highs and lows that well.
Yeah.
And candle flips. So
yeah, but that's what Riku says as well. It's just been acting different.
yeah.
There's so many guys right now that are profitable last year. They're all fucking up this year, just like me.
Mm-hmm.
So many people. So many.
Really, I think lower time frame trades are just not going to work. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
the highs and lows being broken.
Just need
Like,
to.
let's say it's pushing up, it's going to break a low, break a high, break a low again, then push up.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's crazy. You have to treat it more like a swing trade, even though you're still catching 10 pips.
Well,
Yeah,
trying to
I
get
started ignoring the 15 minutes, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Just dog shit. Yeah. I might get in based on this 30-minute candle. Closing again.
Wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back one more time before.
100%. That's what I'm gonna wait for. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. You know, if I could get in based on the pullback, I get in. If it, goes out straight away, it's is what it is.
Just banking on that fake out and creating support in the uptrend. So
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense, to be honest.
better about it.
You should break a resistance in
Because
an
that
uptrend.
15-minute looks ridiculous.
Yeah, 15-minute looks like shit. It's pretty good that it's closing above this level right now. 30. I want to just pull back 3 pips so I could get in at like 152 flat.
Look at the hourly. The hourly.
Yeah,
Hourly
hour
looks
is good.
really sick.
Yeah, hour looks good. But the thing is, we're at that
Like
resistance.
engulfing, isn't it?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah, give me that pullback, and I'm in.
Yeah, I can't even move.
For
Another entry. Dynamic risk is maxed out, basically.
I think it's gonna go straight away. It's gonna move.
I'd be happy, but wouldn't be
Yeah.
surprised if it pulls back one more time.
And it just broke the high of the previous candle.
Come on.
My
Just
double
broke the high of
didn't-
the other one. And
Oh, my buy didn't enter.
Come on. I should have just closed manually.
Oh, you
yeah.
Bro, it literally tapped 74 and my take profit was 75.
Oh shit. That's annoying.
Should have just closed it. I was moving a little too quick.
Was that 10 pips?
Yeah, for the one I got on the reach. Oh, there we go. Tapped it.
Yep, nice. Yeah, just pull back one more time.
CEO of delicate situations.
Yeah. If I would have been in at this moment anyways, my take profit wouldn't have been hit anyways. I don't really mind. My take profit's all the way up here at 100. If I get in.
Come on. Don't mess around. Honestly, if it gets close to my take profit, I'm just going to take it all off.
Yeah. It's just scary. This
Bro,
GJ.
you never know, man. Like,
Yeah, that's the thing. You never know.
the odds are like against you now instead of in your favor.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get in anymore, by the way. Just over. It already did the move now. It pushed up. It's gonna go down again. It's just gonna, it already has some sort of a wick. So yeah, my buys are out the window. And that were the only buys I was looking for right now. Maybe above, if we close above 124, 125, I would give it another try. But it's my personal buys are out the window for now.
Close one more position and about to go break even.
I'm gonna call it a day right here. and come back later to look at my journal.
Oh, come on, come
Yeah.
on.
Good.
Yes. Take care, guys. Good luck with this
Take care.
trade.
Yeah, man.
Ah,
I
See
hope
ya.
it keeps running.
Oh yeah, there you go.
yeah,
That would have been my 10 pip target if I was doing. Lol.
I'm so great. I think when I entered my stop loss,
What's your
it was
entry?
around the 152 level. I entered the stop loss as like 152,900 instead of 151,900.
For real?
And then it didn't enter, so when I clicked it, it weren't working. I'm like, oh, shit.
That's a bummer.
Well, at least my idea was right. That's
Yeah.
happy with that. I mean, I prefer the money, but
Yeah, I think I should have had some more trust in the higher time frames. I look too much at those 15 and once it pull back, this and that. The only thing was though that we were at that 1 hour support resistance, which was, you know.
yeah, but we're in an uptrend and we're.
Yeah.
Really, I wish I'd taken that 15. Like, I really don't trust the 15-minute anymore. So
Yeah.
I wanted to take that 15-minute when it closed bullish, that very first one.
Yeah.
But I was like, man, that resistance is so close. Let me just wait. But that'd have been a perfect entry.
Yeah.
Around like 890.
My target would have been exactly hit if I was doing.
Yeah, my last take profit was 0.87.
Oh yeah. Nice.
So
Yeah, you had a pretty good entry then.
yeah, I had entered when the 30-minute closed, and then I got another entry when it pulled back, like close to support.
Yeah. I was about to enter when we went back up and we were hanging around this level, and then it started pushing. I was like, I was getting my magic keys, just about to click open trade, and then it just went already, and I was like, yeah, it's gonna go now. And yeah, it's off. Yeah.
Yeah, magic keys can be a little funny sometimes.
Yeah.
But man, even this little push wasn't much to be excited about.
Nothing. It's just. I mean, if you got in right here, yeah, you got like 10 pips, but it's just so weak, and it's weird because it's an Asian session. You see this? Look at the Asian session.
Bro, Asian have been running better than London.
Yeah. London has been trash. Absolute dog shit.
But usually London open candle is like a good 20 pip candle.
Yeah, this it's just 7 pips around that, right?
Hasn't closed
Yeah,
yet. It's closing.
7.3 pips. Yeah, it should go higher up, I think. But personally, what I'm waiting for now is maybe a candle close above 122 if I wanna get one more trade. But I don't know. Maybe just call it a weekend.
Yeah, we're still technically in a range. So if I was taking another buy, it'd be once we break and close above 120,
Yeah.
110.
Yeah, me too. But yeah, you never know how far GG is gonna push again. So.
Yeah, I wish I'd taken that 15. Well, I mean, I say I wish.
But this was just a nice retest candle right here. Very nice retest candle.
Yeah,
The bang retest. The only bummer was is that I wouldn't have minded if it did that straight away. But the thing is that it first went up like 5.7 pips for me. So I saw good profits. Went back down, closed 50%, and then it didn't close. Clicked like 5 times more because it was not just closing, and then it closed my entire fucking position.
I've never been a big fan of that whole like. I tried doing it, and Raj was like preaching that, but I like, if it touches your entry, you get out. I don't know. I don't like doing that.
Yeah, for me it helped me many times. Just saving capital. Because if
Yeah.
I've seen profits, I don't want a full loss again. I'd rather get a half a loss if I've seen profits. You know?
Oof, there we go.
Yeah, we're at the top where we were again. So, see.
Sheesh.
There you go.
end up in my 10 pips.
Yeah, mine would have already been hit, yeah. But yeah, fucked it up. Well, Magic Keys fucked it up. MetaTrader actually fucked it up.
Wait, what happened with your trade, Ewan?
When I entered my stop loss, because we were around the
152 plus.
152 and 151 area.
Yeah.
I entered the stop loss as 152, like 900 instead of 151, 900. So it was like an invalid trade, like an invalid entry. It won't let me take it. And I didn't realise, and by that time it had gone up 4 pips. So
It's a bummer.
if it came back down, then I probably would have took it. But it's
Yeah,
one
I
of them
thought you
things
were
when it
already in
goes up
because
5 pips and it comes back down, you're like, oh.
we were talking about how it was like the same stuff as yesterday. I thought you were like,
Yeah,
going-
I asked him.
Oh no! Like I knew I could have genuinely bet my life on this trade because I knew it was going to happen. I knew 100% that this was going to be a winning trade.
Yeah, because the 30-minute that we were talking about, I literally thought you were in when it was retracing by support.
No. To be honest, I can't do it when the candle's not in my direction. Like I don't know. I don't feel easy about it. But
I
Yeah,
think
I did
that's
at first, but
this.
like I
I've
said,
seen
it
this
happened
happening
the
so
third
many
time.
times now.
yeah, I had my bloody. I ended my stop loss in about 10 minutes before I even fingered, but it just must have been on 9 on.
I think best thing to do is when you're expecting an entry, just make sure that you have already everything set up before getting in. That's what I do. Like 2 minutes before, I'd look at every number, go around them, and then get an entry. But did you enter based on your phone?
No. Oh yeah. I was using MetaTrader on my phone.
Yeah, that's
I
I do need to get
Magic Keys there, man.
Yeah, to be honest, I think I might get some. But
I have a discount code, bro.
actually,
Yeah.
That's crazy. Actually, I have extra Magic Keys I need to get rid of. I bought 2 because I have 2 brokers I'm using. Like, I need 1 for each, but really you only need 1 for both.
2 Magic Keys.
Yeah.
Yeah, trading hard.
Bro, this thing's gonna go flying in like the last minute.
Yeah.
And usually, I'd be cool with like letting a GJ trade run, but not anymore.
Prep took a good trade. Prep is doing good as well. He's getting.
Definitely. Damn, there it goes. I was gonna stretch that good entry I had. I was gonna stretch it to the top of this wick, but oh.
MetaTrader. Oh no, Magic Keys works on MetaTrader 5, doesn't it?
Yeah. Bro. GJ, man. In my head, I literally thought I was gonna like come close to the top of the range and reverse. So that's why I was like, I need to take my 10 pips and run. But
Yeah.
So because at first
Going 15.
I was gonna stretch it up to like around 120 for my take profit, but
What do you throw in? Like 15 lots?
3-5 lots, so it was a 15, yeah.
Yeah. Good. Average entry was then around like 80, 980, 990, right?
For you?
No, for you?
Well, the bottom one I had was 0.975.
Yeah, that's good.
0.987.
Very good. Yeah, my entry was 999. So, not bad.
999.
Yeah, man. It'll hold.
Yeah, I think, we definitely have a good plan for risk management, but over management with the way the market is right now can definitely happen.
Yeah. Well, it was not my plan to close my entire fucking position.
Yeah, Magic Key said,
My plan was to just still stay in with that 50% and manage risk based on the 15-minute this one.
right.
This 15-minute candle, not this candle, but this candle. So I already closed 50, and if it broke this level, I would have probably closed another percentage off. But yeah, that didn't happen because it closed my entire position. It is what it is.
always hate that feeling if I just left it.
Huh?
You know, when you get that feeling like, oh man, if I just left my trade running, and you see price keep pushing.
Yeah, sometimes, sometimes lately with GJ, it's better to just walk away. And I don't like to walk away from my trades, but it's like you don't see what's going on. It's
Well,
just
honestly,
because it's,
we have the option because of magic keys. You know, you can just set all your
yeah,
parameters and
yeah,
walk
that's
away.
true. But walking away from your trades is bad. It's a bad habit. Gonna be bad. Emotional running away from your problems. You need to just get over these emotional issues rather than walk away from them. So that's what I'm trying to do. And it's a bummer that I just fucking Magic Keys or MetaTrader fucked up my trade. That's the only issue. Because otherwise I would have been in with 50% of my position right now. I could have added it back, yeah, that was an option. But then I pay
Honestly, psychologically, I think GJ just like throwing everyone off balance.
yeah. You know, so many people that have been profitable in the New York session as well. Just been fucked over. Been very, very profitable last year. All these guys, girls, and new movement comes in. Say bye bye. It's just the thing is about last week, yeah. Last week, price was moving a lot faster, and now it's moving slow as fuck again.
Bro, there's this chick that's been on Paul's stream. I don't know if she's trading live, but she's literally posting like $200,000 profits. And I'm like, what the hell is going on here?
What? What?
There's I don't know if you ever watched Paul, Trading with Paul, his Asian stream.
Yeah,
I think he does London now. I don't know. Anyways, there's this girl that was always on there named Sharma FX.
I don't know.
And bro, she's posting like $200,000 profits.
What?
Yeah. I don't know if it's
What?
demo or live, but
I
last
don't
week
know.
they did a gold trade. She made like 200,000, and she did GJ buys
What lot size? Like 100 lots, 200 lots,
20 lots.
20 lots. What the fuck?
Yeah.
20 lots. How many fucking pips do you need for 200,000?
But
That's 10
one,
pips for 2,000.
hold on, I'll let you know right now,
Where was the trade taken?
bro. I want to find out if this is live or not.
Oh yeah, nah, she does it. She does it. I've seen that as well. Like, yeah, Nick,
But
you're not.
what's the trade?
Is it
Where
on
did
live
it get
account?
taken from? Because you
She
need a lot of
analyzes
pips.
like she gives a market breakdown every day, every like on a Sunday evening with Stefanos.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, it's quite good, but I don't know, like, you know,
But how many pips do you need for 200,000 out of a 20
No,
lot?
it's multiple.
100
It's
pip, man.
multiple.
Just 100
No,
pip.
no, it's
Yeah,
multiple positions though.
yeah.
Uh,
Not 100 pips. I think 1,000 pips.
Jesus,
Because you get 100 pips. There's only 10 times 2,000.
bro.
Yeah, you need
You're
100.
waffling. That would be 20 grand.
Yeah, no, it's okay. So
Yeah,
one trade is like a
that's
20
what I mean.
lot for 10 grand. The other's like a 30 lot for 35,000.
She needs a move from 1,800 to 1,700 to get 200,000 out of a 20 lot.
Jesus,
So that's big. That's fucking huge.
bro. Okay, so last week there was a profit of like 200 something thousand for gold, and then this week for GJ, so that's $400,000 right there. If that's live, oh my lord.
Who's
400,000.
that?
Matt.
Sharma FX, the person that they were just talking about,
Yeah,
does the
but
live.
what she trades what Asian or New York session?
I used to watch Paul's sessions in Asian, but I stopped trading Asian, so I stopped watching. But I think he does New York and London now.
And where does she post profits in the Slack?
No.
No, her Instagram,
What's her
What's
Instagram?
it?
Sharma FX.
How do you write that?
Fuck's sakes.
SHARMA FX.
SH, what? Oh, here.
Huh?
I still found it.
Yeah, pull that up unless I'll get blown away here, cause bro,
That's pretty much 90, 100 pips right there. 100 pips.
I think you have it on a different screen.
Oh, yeah, fuck. One sec. Instagram. For what?
Yo, if that's alive,
That's,
I am.
man. Yo, 50 pips and a 30 lot. Holy fuck. But that's in.
I mean, don't get me wrong. She's like smart, like but she talked about
This
like
is in a couple
fundamentals.
of days, man. Look at the time. Look at the fucking time.
It's not the point.
Yeah.
The point is the end result is
Yeah.
$200,000.
Yeah, that's what I mean. But in time as well. Look at that. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th.
My
That's
man,
4
I need
days. 4 days.
$35,000. If I
That's
make
like Uncle.
$35,000 in 1 month, I'd be good.
Bro, that's a lot of money right there. $1,000 days.
That's like Uncle Ted numbers, man.
Yeah.
I know Ted does the same thing. I'm just saying, when I was watching her on Asian, I thought, she was just like
It's more like a swing trader, right?
a technical trader and fundamentals. Like I said, I used to listen to them talk about it, but I couldn't get with it. But I guess that was my loss.
Yeah, man. Insane. Insane.
She
Look at
posted
this.
76 to 1.
Look at this trade. 150, 800 to 152, 100.
35 racks, man. Close to 36.
That's mad.
Look
You
at
know
the
what's crazy?
look at the stories. The first one, she had a 76 to 0.1 ratio, risk to reward ratio. I
Crazy.
mean, it is possible, but it's hard to believe.
Man, I just wonder if that's the live account or not. That's all I'm trying to figure out.
I
Yeah.
mean, just
Could be FTMO, like looking at things because FTMO people trade big lots, right? But I don't know.
No. I don't think people in FTMO are making $230,000 a fucking month. But in 4 days. 4 days.
I've seen people in Fun and Talent do that.
Yeah?
Not in 4 days, but I know somebody made like $200,000, but I think it was in a month.
But I don't understand because everything is. In June 10, 2020, she was trading 10 lots, into 10-cent lots.
I
So
don't know, man. I don't know. I don't want to be a hater, so I'm just gonna,
this is an 11% increase. So I don't know.
probably
That's
funded.
basically she was trading on $100 account.
no more.
Well, I wouldn't say she's funded by somebody, but whoever it is, god damn, bro, she passed that challenge in 1 day.
Yeah, these in this is 19th of June 2020 Bitcoin sell. I don't know. This is just
Damn.
JPY. Yeah, lower lots. Who knows? I don't know. Maybe she has money. Maybe she doesn't. Who knows?
Yeah, it leveled up a little bit, I guess, because I want to take that sell on GJ, but I decided to stick with
This
the
is
trend.
her website.
Oh, GG got me 10 pips finally.
Nice.
Nice.
My bottom entry. I was aiming for the top of that wick and it just hit it. Passed it. Damn.
You know what I
Wish I
think's
had faith in
crazy?
my session again.
You know when you first start looking into Forex and there's like loads of people trying to push courses to you?
Yeah.
You're kind of like you just see them on like YouTube and all the advertisements.
Yeah,
They're
man.
trying to push courses that are like £1,000, £2,000, £3,000. And then you see people like Raja and Sasha, and their courses is £500. But the knowledge, like, well, actually
10 times better than
£400 for me. Like Raja's course was £400 because of the exchange
yeah,
rate.
exchange rate, yeah. For me, it was
It's
like
like
470.
it's such good value. Like,
It's hard to tell when you first start though, like who's
Who's
yeah,
good,
it's
who's not
so
good?
hard to tell.
What's to the
no.
left?
I saw the Lamborghini and got bought in before.
Yeah,
To
that's
be
that's
honest,
the that's the
anyone
debate.
with a Lamborghini or a car, I just ignored every single one of them.
Now
Every
he
single.
was Raja did that talk where he's like, yeah, like they're showing you lifestyle and not value, then
Yeah.
they got nothing for you besides like recycled YouTube videos.
I
Mm.
think too now I noticed is guys who actually flex Lamborghinis. I mean, not all of them, but still, I mean, it still shows they have some kind of money. Like this girl, like I mean, you don't see anything proving that it's actually live, even
Yeah.
though, I mean, it maybe is. Yeah, you have
Yeah,
no
who
proof.
knows?
Then I mean, a Lamborghini, even if it comes from the course, then yeah. But I mean,
Most of these guys are just making money with the courses and no money
yeah,
in
for
trading
sure.
itself.
But like she doesn't have a course, so or it doesn't have a lot of people following her. So if she flexed the Lamborghini, then you can
She has she has a course. I'm telling you, look.
Yeah, but like she has 1,000 subscribers. I mean, what is she?
Yeah. $160 for 3 months. That's expensive.
Yeah,
But like the
still, I
ones
mean,
1 year, $475. $475 right there. For 1 year. That's only 1 year. You pay 500 for kills and then you're
But
But
wasn't
also,
he
I
looking
mean,
to move it down to a year though? I
What?
don't know whether he is now. But like I still think like $400. I mean, if she's a good trader and she knows how to trade, that's not like the worst price.
No.
It's the ones that you
But
see on like.
thing is,
I think Rogers is probably better, but I don't know. I don't want to trash her
I
around.
don't know her. I don't know. I got no idea. Maybe
Yeah,
she's
like,
same.
good. You
you
know.
could expect like some kind of like flex when you're making 2,000, 200,000.
Yeah, but who knows whose money it is? You know, that's the thing. If
Yeah.
it's FTMO, you know.
Yeah, but still, I mean, a 70-30 split. I mean, you still put in,
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, a lot of money in your pockets. Yeah.
Yeah, just for us, that FTMO stuff doesn't work here in the Netherlands. Yeah, it works, but you have to pay loads of taxes. So you already bring 30% to them themselves, and then you also bring a high percentage of what you have left to the government, and then you maybe have like 20% left, 25% left of what you actually made. So
I
doesn't.
mean, again, the goal with FTMO is to get more profit so you can actually bring it into your live
Damn
account.
it, GJ, damn it. You just never know when to hold this thing.
You know, but the thing is, last month you just don't know when it's gonna stop. You just don't know. It can stop any moment. It can stop at 2 pips. It can stop at 5 pips, 7 pips, 8 pips most of the time. And sometimes you just push it on. It's just the consistency is not there on GJ. There's no consistency at this moment.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna push this high until New York. They're gonna range around, but
Yo, guys, don't forget to like the stream.
bro, this is getting me.
You already took your
Nice.
pips, man. Relax.
I got what, like 14 pips in that, which is alright.
Yeah, some good trades are called out today.
Yeah. Only if I was still in. It's hey, bro, Nick. It's more of a bummer for me than for you. You took your 10 pips. I'm out because I'm a fucking magic keys in the MetaTrader.
Yo, look.
Yeah.
Look. What I noticed, yeah, like, because I've seen you the past couple of weeks, yeah, just be patient with your trade, bro. Like,
Yeah, I was patient, but the thing is that I went 5 point something pips in profit. We were acting on this 1 hour resistance right here based on this candle. So what I did was I closed 50% at my break-even level just to get some risk off. And then it didn't close, so I was like, okay, what's going on? Like 5 seconds later, it still didn't close. So I tapped a couple of times again, and then all these orders started coming in on my computer like 10, 15 seconds later, and then it started closing everything automatically.
Hear him out though. I think he's about to not
Yeah.
necessarily magic keys thing, but maybe something
Yeah,
else.
that's true. That's true. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, no, because like again in this trade, right? I was in drawdown of about like 6.5 pips, but I was just like, okay, momentum's with me,
Yeah.
and like, yeah, I mean, trade management is one thing, but like, sometimes, like, even I used to do this, like I still do. Like, it was just fortunate maybe I didn't do it in this trade, right? Like, whenever it hits like 5 pips in drawdown, I just shut it out. I just choke it and not
Yeah,
let it run. And fortunately for now, what happened was I added on a position when it like beat the previous highs as well. So I thought like I did quite well with this trade, but like in your case, this trade and yesterday as well, I think like um a lot of people like do choke their trades out. And
yeah,
yeah, I mean, this just like just self-evaluating us. Do you know what I mean? Like
100%.
some
I
people
think,
might think, no, but
like I said, to me, I used to, obviously I was like, all right, let me just do everything Raja says. But I don't like closing trades like half as soon as it touches entry or
Yeah,
stuff
makes
like
sense.
that. I'd rather wait for a low to be broken.
That's
Yeah,
true. That's just technicals. Yeah, that makes sense. The only thing, what I worried about, when I took this trade is that 1 hour level, and that's
yeah,
most of the reason.
we're in an
What?
uptrend.
Yeah, that's
So
true. That's true.
when we just created support, so
I only had
that
to break that
was
high, and then yep.
that was previous resistance, yes, but that's current support in an uptrend. So that means that current support should break that
Yeah,
previous
100%, man.
resistance.
That's true. That's true.
If anything, if we started going bearish when we touched that 1 hour, then yeah, I could see if you started managing, but it never even went
Yeah,
bearish. So you kind of did more like a prediction versus a analysis.
yeah, true, true, true. No, didn't use full technical.
Yeah, don't get me wrong though.
sorry, Nick. Could you repeat that again? I didn't hear what you said. Like technical versus prediction. Could you say that again, please?
There's this guy. I don't know if you can go on Instagram real quick, Luke. S. Joseph Burns. He doesn't really tell you how to trade, but when I tell you, like, he's changed my whole psychology as
Right.
far as
Let
like
me follow him
some of the
in.
stuff he says. He's always like, you know,
I follow him. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, what's his name? I missed it. Oh,
Here
oh,
on the
S.
oh,
screen.
oh,
Joseph
Burns. Yeah,
Burns.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
But he
I
doesn't talk
follow.
about like how to trade. It's just like all psychology. And one thing he always says is like your opinion or your prediction won't, you know, basically get you
Doesn't matter
profit.
on the market.
Yeah, like if you think, oh, it's about to touch here and then turn around and you close it, like that's your opinion.
Oh,
It doesn't
you
even
posted
mean
this
it's
one, right?
always, bro. Everything the man says is gold.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's
man.
got some value on his Instagram.
Yeah. Yeah, I could have let the position open, 100%. Just because I was what you say as well, just that 15 minute is fucking you over now as well. It doesn't make any sense anymore, the 15 minutes. So I think it's just focusing on the 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily is now gonna be the most important thing to do.
Yeah,
Because
honestly, like I
this is
said,
just
in
all
my
noise. On 1 minute, 1 minute. I don't even trade 1 minute, but 5 minute, 15 minutes just gonna be noise. All noise.
exactly.
That's gonna, mess your mind up.
Yeah, my whole thing was like I said, if that 15-minute low got broken around 900, that's when I would have started managing
Yeah, that's a
because
great idea. Yeah, I'm gonna
for
take that for next week. That's thank you for looking out for me, guys. Just giving me some advice.
That 30-minute engulfing, yeah, from the fake out, that was just like clear signal. And especially like with that close, that was like London Open as well. So we know
yeah,
volume was coming, uptrend. Normally, like I was discussing this with a friend of mine yesterday, right? Whichever direction the Asian plays out, like
So, yeah,
London, we decide whether to respect that level or not, like respect that trend or not. And this time, yesterday, it just this London session and European Frankfurt Open, like it respected and it was just like bullish. The trend was definitely bullish,
yeah,
and
yeah.
that was signaled by that half an hour engulfing.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't trust it. I need more trust.
Mm.
This and that, and
Yeah, I think
so there's
even, I mean, that small resistance, like at 152.30, just like, and also that like 1 hour resistance just didn't give me that entry confirmation.
well, at the end of the day, this 30 minute was the buy candle. This 30 minute, once it closed, that was one of the best buy candles you could have thought about, because
Yeah, for sure.
the
But
reason
after
why is
that,
that we were ranging right here. Price created a fake out, closed above the resistance. It didn't even close inside. It closed above the resistance. So I should have put a lot more trust in this trade, even though it went down. A lot more trust.
Yeah, just in like
Personally,
a
I did.
small range.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, just that you can go.
Personally, I did not take it because I was worried about the resistance at 12, like 150 to 12.
And
Like
that's on the what time frame is that on?
in all time frames. I took the trade based on the 15 minutes, but
Okay.
yeah. So yeah, that resistance when it just up the whole
Yeah,
resistance
20.
all the way up.
Yeah, that's 30.
152.30. Yeah.
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 I thought you said 12. But yeah.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
scared
that's
about that. That's why I didn't take
yeah.
it.
But at the end of the day, you have a break and retest, so I think you could ignore some of these levels. The only thing that bothered me, why I did some things, is that because we exactly reached this 1 hour resistance while it was inside the trade, that made me personally worried. But at the end of the day, we have a nice push up. We create support. What's the probability of price retesting this level? Like 80%. So
Yes, sir.
I should have had a lot more trust in and just held the trade because it was going to break these levels anyways. Just made a fake out. At the end of the day, if the price makes a fake out, it's going to fly. It's going to absolutely go. And what did it do? Oh, that's what I normally say as well. After fake outs, it's just bang. This was a
To be honest, if you look through London a lot, you would see that sort of movement.
Yeah.
When from Asian, we break down the Asian lows, but then the next candle breaks back up, sort of creating a fake out, and then on the lower time frames, it creates a support on that level which you broke out, and then it pushes up. I've seen it so many times. Because what I usually do, I just dissect through 5 minute, 15, 30 and everything, and then it makes sense. Even you could have get in on a 5 minute when he created support after that bearish candle at 7:10, obviously my time. Once it was breaking back up.
Definitely agree with that.
Yeah.
Because it showed that it was rejection of 800 level, 151, 800, which was support over there. And then 5 minute just paved the price action today. But obviously I couldn't manage to get in there, but I got in myself quite a bit later once the 15-minute closed, like the hourly closed, because we had so much bullish momentum at that going. And if you look at a 4 hour at the same time while we was moving, it broke the resistance as well, and I was like, yeah, we're going up.
Hey, this is a little bit off topic, man, but you're from Lithuania, right?
Yeah.
You have a London accent, though.
Thank you, man. To be honest, I've been living in UK for 7 years now.
Oh.
Yeah, I moved when I was literally 16 and a bit.
Okay, I get it now. I was about to say that don't sound like a Lithuanian accent over there, but all right.
Yeah, because I went straight away to college, and then after 6 months, I actually signed a contract for football. So I was just all around British people, and I had no option, just sort of like start coping it, like, talking exactly the same way they are talking. And I just picked up the accent.
Nice, man. Yeah, nice.
Augustus has got such a typical East London accent, man. Trust. Or like North Kent, Rochester, Chatham area, like that kind of accent, man. Oh my god.
Yeah, because I was like thinking, because you think that you have a good knowledge of English language when you come from Lithuania, because it was like a second language in Lithuania, but they teach you just the fundamentals of the language, not the way that you need to speak and everything. And they sort of teaching you American accent as well. And but when I went to UK, I was just like, shoot, man, these people are waffling. I don't understand what they're talking about. And then eventually, I just picked it up.
Having said that, the Dutch, they speak amazing English, man. Like,
No, normally they don't.
no, like I mean, like all the Dutch people that I've come across, like they all speak really good English, from like what you'd expect from like people from Europe to have.
Yeah, because we get learned Dutch. We get learned like very many different languages, but most Dutch people have like this really what's it called? You know, very weird accent.
The accent is quite harsh and sharp.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah. But it's yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Take care, guys. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, man. See you, man.
Yeah, take it easy, man.
I'm gonna end the stream by this one as well. Moves happened. Moves got called out.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna range through now.
Yeah, probably got back inside the range. So.
Alright, see you guys.
Yeah, man. See you guys. Thank you for tuning in. And,
have a lovely weekend.
Yeah, have a
See you
lovely
Monday.
weekend, man. See you Monday, man.
Weekend, guys.
Bye bye.